xFoundry at UMD is the first program launching out of the IDEA Factory. Our mission is to advance the strategic plan of the university by collaborating with every academic discipline on campus and addressing grand challenges through targeted annual competitions.
The IDEA Factory is very unique because this is a place where we want to solve challenges, especially societal challenges.
Having a program like xFoundry that interacts and touches on all the colleges in the university is very important.
I think it is critical that you interact with broad disciplines in order to solve problems. The thing is that there are often times that there could be a technical solution, but it's not the right solution. And the reason why I say that is because whenever you're talking about a societal challenge, it obviously means that it's going to impact people.
So if you take any real project in real life, you have different teams coming together. You have people with different skills, they come. And those skills, when you put together, you have a great idea.
All of the students who graduate from our programs will go into professions that dictate they collaborate. Just like your competition through the xFoundry.
The skills that they will learn in this process will stand them in good stead, whether they become leaders in academia or industry or government, or they go and start their own startup ventures.
When you solve grand challenges through entrepreneurship, you're creating an entity that lives and breathes that grand challenge. The success of the company is inherently tied to making sure that problem goes away for good.
We use that in our approach for all of xFoundry's programs. It has to think about it not just from one perspective, but from many perspectives.
Societal grand challenges are inherently people-centric. So as students are developing these solutions to these grand challenges, they need to keep in mind that a person is going to be using this at the end of the day.
The humanities are really a significant rounding for the solutions that we come up with in the grand challenge work.
By engaging students during their educational experience, we let them learn how to be an entrepreneur, learn how to be a founder, and become a skilled employee, all without leaving their educational experience. They're getting credit while working on these problems. They're getting credit while becoming an entrepreneur.
Competitions are a force multiplier, directing multidisciplinary knowledge, research, development, and funding towards solving one clearly defined problem.
I always reveled in these competitions because I think a lot of people underestimate the University of Maryland, the quality of school system in the state of Maryland, and how good the students are.
We now present to the students the exact problem that needs to be solved, and dozens of them can go after it. That means that this problem gets tackled faster, better, and cheaper for investors.
Our students have a unique level of what I call terrapin grit. And that grit is they're resilient, they're very competitive, they have a work ethic that's incredibly high, and they want to do something with their skills that has never been done before.
You need more than just a competition and an academic program to come together. You need a foundation of resources to enable the students and the partners working towards solving these challenges to come together.
At xFoundry, we're creating an ecosystem of resources both on and off campus to really make sure that the ventures that we launch through our programs succeed.
These include cutting-edge AI tools, IT and project management tools, business and marketing assets, and development work, all accessible to students and our partners while they're working with us.
And that's why creating xFoundry, it's a perfect moment to do it because the foundational framework already exists and the type of students that we recruit are ready for this challenge.
So I'm excited.
I believe our students stand to benefit a lot from understanding, appreciating, and participating in the xFoundry programs. Its impact in the experiential learning domain for all of our students goes far beyond just entrepreneurship.
And I think by participating in multidisciplinary efforts like xFoundry, that's just going to amplify our ability to really live into and breathe into those goals of our community.
It's really exciting that they could work on these teams with students from across campus, with faculty from across campus, and get this kind of interdisciplinary thinking, get used to doing it.
When we leave here, we'll start up companies and we'll have a better idea of the power of working together. And we'll do this again and again and again as we create solutions during our lifetime.
And I think for these reasons, xFoundry program is absolutely stunning and will be wonderful for our university.
xFoundry is a collaboration among students, faculty, and staff, powered by the vision of our founding donors.